This is my Perispherus punctatus colony, roly-poly, the punctate roly-poly roach. They are a cockroach that can conglobate, but I just kind of wanted to show off just how many I have. Alright, let's just... Okay, well that was out of focus, but I think you could kind of see the globs and globs and globs of them. So it's honestly getting a little ridiculous here. Let's show that off a little bit. Is this it? Yeah, no, this. It's a little insane. So yeah, these guys, neat. And, I mean, they're not the most prolific roach, but I just have had them for so long that the colony has kind of exploded. And, is at critical mass, I would say. There's about as many in here as could ever possibly fit in here, basically. But yeah, cute little guys.